Start this one. Morning children, my dear 6th class students. Today I am going to start the new topic, that is first chapter about knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. In this one, what we have to discussing, the main key points are: first, comparing numbers; second one, ascending orders and descending order of numbers; third one, greater than or less than; fourth one, numbers write in words; and fifth one, express the numbers in words. These are the topics we are going to be discussing in this chapter. Now, first exercise, exercise 1, first Roman. Exercise 1, first Roman. Exercise 1.1, first Roman. What is the asking question? Write the greater and smaller number. Write greater and smaller numbers. Write greater and smaller numbers of the following. Numbers of the following. In that, the first problem 15432, and second number 15892, third one 15370, and fourth one 15524. Fourth one is 15524. And these are the numbers are given. We want to write which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. So just we want to by observing we want to say which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. No need to read that for to the place values. Listen here. One here 15432, 15892, 15370, 15524. Out of 4 numbers, which is the bigger one means, look at here. Here all 5-digit numbers only. Once if you observe means there is something common is there. First 2 digits are common, 151515. Next one, first 2 digits are common. Third, when comparing third digit, this is 4 and this is 8 and this is 3 and this is 5. 4, 8, 3, 5. Which one is bigger? 8 is the bigger. Third place, 8 is the bigger. So this number is bigger one. Now what is the bigger number here? Bigger number is 15892. Now what is the smaller one? Smaller number is 15. So which is 14835? No, 3 is the smaller one. 15370. So like this we can identify which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one by seeing a small verification, by small variation. Look at here. Like that. Second problem. So second one, I will go for the second one. This is the first problem and second problem. Second one is 25073. Next 25289. Next 25800. Next one 25623. After these 4 numbers, now we want to say bigger one and smaller one. Now look at here, which is the bigger one? Here, similarly before problem, same as before problem, The first here come 2 5 2 5 2 5 2 5, the common is there. And third place, when comparing third digit, third place, here 0, here 2, here 8, here 6 are there. So 0, 2, 8, 6. Which is the bigger one? 8 is the bigger one. So that number is bigger one. Now bigger number is 25800. And what is the smaller number is, what is the smaller one? So 0 is the smaller one, is 25073. 25073. Like this. The first problem and second problem I told that one. Children, next 3 and 4 are there. You can write the homework for that. Third problem. Third one is 44687 44645 44602. Next fourth one is 75671 75635. So one more number is there in third one. 44645 44602 44670. There are 4 numbers are there. We can write which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. And like that, fourth one is 75671 75635 75641 75610 75610. So these are the 5 numbers. So third one, fourth one, you can do that one. This is homework and this is also homework. First 2 problems I told it, then third and fourth you can finish it. Next, like that, next homework. Write the numbers in ascending order. Second Roman. Write the numbers in ascending order. Second Roman. Write the number in ascending order. Second Roman. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. So how can you write it in ascending order? I'll give you one problem first. First problem is 375 1475 15951 4713. These are the 4 numbers are given. You want to write all these 4 numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means what is that? Ascending order means you can write the number from small to big one. So once you are comparing these 4 numbers, 375 is 3-digit number, remaining 3 numbers are 4-digit number. So the 3-digit number is smaller than the 4-digit number. First number is 3-digit number, small one is 375, first one. Yes. Next one. These are all 4-digit numbers. Which one is the bigger one? So the first starting digit is 1 here, here also 1, and this is 4. While comparing these 2 numbers, both are first digits are 1. Then go for comparing second digit. This is 4, this is 5. Which is the bigger one? Which is the small one? This is the small one, this is the bigger one. Next, 1 small to big you want to write. 1 4 7 5. And next one is 1 5 9. Okay, sorry. This is 5-digit number. 15951 is 5-digit number. This is 5-digit number, and this is the 4-digit number. 1475. And again, what is the 4-digit number here is there? 4713. 4713. Next, 15951. So children, what is the ascending? This is the problem. 375, 1475, 15951, 4713. 3-digit number is smaller than the 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Which are the 3-digit number? Only one is there, 375. What are the 4-digit number? 1475 is there, 4713 is there. While comparing these two 4-digit numbers, the first digit here starting 1, this first digit here 4 here. Here first digit is 4. So this is the small one, 1475. Next, what is that? 4713. Next, 5-digit number, 1591. This is the ascending order. If you want to keep that, this is smaller one, put it the symbol less than, and this is also less than, and this is also less than. 375 is less than 1475 is less than 4713 is less than 155. 15951. Okay, put it commas enough for that way. Next. Yes. Second problem. What is given the second problem? Nine 9347 19035 22570. One more number, 12300. See here, now we want to write ascending orders. So this is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number, this is 5-digit number, these two 5-digit number. First 4-digit number is the smaller than the 5-digit number. What is the small number here? Ascending order is small to big one. 9347, first one, and second one. Look at here. Second one, all 5-digit numbers. Total digit is 1 is there, here 2 is there, here 1 is there. So this here two numbers are starting with 1. Starting digit is 1. And again you will go for the next place number. Here 9 is there, here 2 is there. While comparing second digit, which is the bigger one? 9 is the bigger one and 2 is the small one. So while comparing those two numbers, 19035, 12300 means this is the small one. 12300. Next 19035. Next 22570. This is the ascending orders. Answer. This is the ascending order of the given numbers. There are two problems are there. This is first problem. This is answer. And second problem. This is second answer. Like this you have to write down numbers in the ascending orders. Next, descending orders. Now next one, descending order.
13.
Descending order. Descending order means descending order. Descending order. Descending order means first one, third one descending order. First one. One 876 89715 4 55321 89254. Here given 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Descending order means from big to small, big to small. So this is a 4-digit number, remaining all 3 numbers are 5-digit numbers. Once you comparing all 5-digit numbers, which is the bigger one? So 8, 9. 8, 9 is the bigger one when comparing 4, 5. Yes. That too, 8, 9 is the common, and third place is here 7 is there, here 2 is there. So this one is the bigger one, second number. So descending order. What is the first? It is given 8, 9, 7, 1, 5. Answer 8, 9, 7, 1, 5. Next 8, 9, 2, 5, 4. Next 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Next 1, 8, 7, 6. These are the order of the descending order of the given problem. And second problem is what is the second one is given here? 3 0 0 8 7 0 0 3 9 0 0 1 8 500 1 8 5 0 0. So look at here, 4 numbers are given here. So descending order is from big to small you want to write down. This is 4-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number. Only first one, once again the problem is 3 0 0 8 7 0 0 3 9 0 0 1 8 5 0 0. The bigger one is, these are all 4-digit numbers, this is 5-digit number. So which one is the bigger one? This one. First, descending order is first you want to write a bigger one. 1 8 5 0 0, comma. Next one, all are 4-digit numbers. Start the 4-digit number, starting the digit is 8 is the bigger one than comparing other two. So next what is coming? 8 7 0 0. Now two numbers are there. One is 3 0 0 3 9 0 0. Which one is bigger one? 3 9 0 0. Why? Because first place is first digit is common and second digit is here 0 is there, here 9 is there. Then what is that? 3 9 0 0 and 3 0 0. This is the way to write the descending order of the given numbers. Descending order is from, what is that? Bigger to small is descending order. Ascending means from small to bigger is ascending orders. So 3 rows are finished, and fourth one is asking put appropriate symbol less than or greater than. Next, fourth Roman. Put less than or greater than symbol. Put greater than and less than a symbol. The first problem is 3854 dash 15200, and second one is 4895 dash 4864. Third one is 99454 dash 99445, and fourth one is 14500 14499. Children, all should open your textbooks and observe that one. This is first exercise from your textbook only. If you don't know the textbooks, you should buy the textbooks and see your textbooks and do the problems. Look at here. What is that? In the blanks we have to put less than or greater than. First of all, you want to understand something about less than and greater than. Where you want to put less than and where you want to put greater than. Listen here. First is then. Here 3, 7 are there. Two numbers I take. I am taking three digits. Two numbers 3 and 7. Which is the bigger? 7 is the bigger. So 3 is a smaller one. If you want to keep the symbol, listen here. Towards small number, that should be tail less than symbol will come in. Towards the small value. 3 is smaller than the 7. And what the symbol you have to keep in? 3 is less than 7. That means this is tail and this is head. Towards tail, always small number. Towards head, always bigger number. You want to keep that one. Again here, see there, 9, 5 is there. 9 is bigger than the 5. So 9 means is greater than. That means head towards come bigger number and tail is towards the small number. 9 is greater than 5. As same as we have to fill up these blanks. 3854 15200. This is 4-digit number. This is 5-digit number. See the 3854 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Which is the small one? The 4-digit number is always less than the 5-digit number. Should keep so this is less than small one. Small one means and tail should want to get it towards the small value like this 3854. Next one 4895 4864. 4895 4-digit number. 4864 also 4-digit number. In this 4-digit number 48 common 48 common. Next place is what is 9. Next place, third place is 6 here there. Which is the bigger one? 9 is the bigger one. So this is the bigger one. Should keep the symbol. So big one is greater than symbol. Now here 99454 99445 99454 99445. See there. Here first 3 digits are common 9944 and fourth place is here 5 is there. Here 4 is there. Which is the bigger one? 5 is the bigger one. So this is the bigger value. Should keep the symbol like this is greater than value. 99454 is greater than 99445. Next, last one. So 14500 14499. Which is the bigger one? See there. 1414 common. Third place is 5 is there. Third place is 4 is there. This is the bigger one. Should keep the symbol here greater than symbol. 14500 is bigger one. 144999. So this is the way to keep that greater than and less than symbols while comparing those 2 or more numbers. Okay children? Okay children, up to 4 rounds we had finished today. In next class we'll go for 5th Roman onwards. Okay children?